Hey guys, Marv's Marvel's Roblox here with my first Rubik's Cube video. Okay, so today I just solved the Rubik's Cube and I'm gonna show you some patterns. So, checker. For the checkered pattern, just have to rotate the middle twice, like that, like so. Then one more, twice. Then you finish with this side. See? Checker. So that's that. I'm gonna return it to normal again. Just this. Okay, back to normal. Now I'm gonna make the flower, or also called as donut. Turn this up, 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 and up, up. There you go. Flower / donut. I'm gonna return it to normal. This may take a while. Wait, it's jamming sometimes. Okay. There you go. So that was the donut. Now for the staircase. So what you want to do is up, down, turn. Wait, up, down, turn, up, down, turn, up, down, turn. Just repeat the steps. There you go. Staircase. Stairs. 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 And stairs. Alright, so if you want to return it, then just do it again. Up, down, turn, up, down. Oops, I made a cross pattern accidentally. Wait, I'm just gonna return it again. Turn up, down, turn up, down, turn up, down, turn up, down, turn. What? Oh my. Now it's back to the stair pattern. What? Oh my god. Cross and stairs? That's weird. Never done that before. So I'm just gonna end the video here. Goodbye.